Welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to cover the sensitivity table in the ARGUS multifamily model. I can see the sensitivity table is massive. A lot of people will go to the Data tab, What If Analysis, and the Data table to create their sensitivity table. However, this specialized sensitivity table is different than the regular data table in many ways. Let's get into it. The row header is the exit cap rate, which I will input 5%. The column header is the going-in cap rate. I will go back to the Input tab, copy the going-in cap rate in the Other Assumption section, going back to the Return Analysis table tab, paste it. I can see all the exit cap rates are the same, so I will input 0.5% for the exit cap rate incremental. Now the exit cap rate ranges from 3.5% to 6.5%. I will also input 0.5% for the going-in cap rate incremental. Click the Update Table button. A progress bar pops up. Because of the massive calculation the computer is doing, it might take up to 15 minutes to update the sensitivity table. I'm going to fast forward a little bit. The update finishes, and I can start reading the table. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. I can see the table consists of 49 blocks. There are 7 blocks in the first row, and each block corresponds to a different exit cap rate, but they share the same 2.86% going-in cap rate. Likewise, there are 7 blocks in the first column, and each block corresponds to a different going-in cap rate, but they share the same 3.5% exit cap rate. Therefore, the first block stands for the returns with a 3.5% exit cap rate and a 2.86% going-in cap rate. The second block stands for the return with a 4% exit cap rate and a 2.86% going-in cap rate. I can keep reading the blocks this way. Let's zoom in a little bit. I can see each block is made out of 9 cells. The block row header is the deal level, GP, and LP. The block column header is IRR, multiple, and the net profit. In the first block, the 9.3% is the deal level IRR, and the 18.29% is the GPIR. To be more precise, the 9.3% is the deal level IRR with a 3.5% exit cap rate and a 2.86% going-in cap rate. The 19.29% is the GPIR with 3.5% exit cap rate and the 2.86% going-in cap rate. Let's go to the block in the middle with a 5% exit cap rate and a 4.36% going-in cap rate. The GPIR is about 29.43% and the GP multiple is about 11.3 times. The LPIR is about 14.71% and the LP multiple is about 3.32 times. The best case scenario is the left bottom block where the going-in cap rate is 5.86% and the exit cap rate is 3.5%. The worst case scenario is the top right block where the going-in cap rate is 2.86% and the exit cap rate is 6.5%. This table provides comprehensive return analysis on different going-in cap rates and exit cap rates. I have finished the sensitivity table section in the ARGUS multifamily model. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.